So where do you start in creating your EVP? And why does it matter? Watch this video to find out more. Hi, welcome to the Let's Talk Talent channel, where we discuss the world of HR and talent management. We're here to help you unlock the potential in your people. So where do you start in creating your EVP? Whenever I'm thinking about a big project like that, I think about it in 4 stages, and I'm going to take you through them. The first is research. So what data have you got? Can you do some desk research? Can you look at competitors? Can you look at demographics? Can you think about where you're losing people, for example, and where you're holding on to people? What's the exam question that you're trying to answer in terms of that research phase? So gain as much evidence that you can in that research phase. That will then lead to a load of questions that you want to answer. And that's where you get into your second phase, which is about insight. Insight is all about answering those key questions, and you're going to need people in your business to do that. You're going to need people in your business as well as external to your business. So you might ask your recruitment team. You might ask some of your stakeholders. You might ask your customers, because ultimately what you're trying to figure out is why people like to work for you and what is it about your brand that's attractive. The third phase is about design, because you've done desk research, you've done insight, and now you're designing your EVP. You're taking all of that knowledge and insight and you're creating the statement. You're creating the materials ultimately. So that could be your careers website. It could be creating videos, but it's ultimately telling people why they should work for you. The final phase is implementation, and that's all about communication, communication, communication. And that could be your CEO or your exec team or even your business. Going out and saying, this is us, we're really proud of it, this is why you should come and work for us. And that's why an EVP is really important, because it isn't about you sitting in a room and designing it yourself. From research to insight to design and implementation, you've got a really good framework that will help you create the best EVP possible. So have a go. So do you believe in the 4 steps of the framework? Do you have other steps that you put in place? We'd love to hear your feedback, so please leave your thoughts and ideas below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful HR and talent management video content. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.